Have you ever dreamt of a world whereby a car can automatically repair itself every time you crash it, or when you scratch that $1 million paint job? A car that is so capable of taking over every time you lose concentration, or an all-electric car that is capable of going 500 kilometers off the grid on a single recharge? If you have, it is time to wake up, because that dream is now a reality. In this video, we're going to be giving you top 5 supercar concepts that we are most likely to see in the next 10-15 years to come. Before we begin this video, please do not forget to subscribe for more cool videos. Let's begin. Alright, car junkies, first on our list we have the BMW Vision Next 100. In 2016, BMW turned 100 years old, and on their 100th anniversary they decided to come up with something insane. Well, just to show off that they're still one of the best automakers in the world, if not the best. Now, this is an all-electric car entirely made from carbon fiber and plastic. It is indeed a feast of our aesthetics with its reptile-looking like features. Now, what makes this car unique is the adaptive software called the digital companion system. Now, this software is so capable of transforming a mere driver into an ultimate driver. Amazing stuff. The car has 2 modes, ease and boost. If you are a lazy driver like me who loves to sleep on their way to work, you can always switch to ease and allow the autonomous driver to take over. Now, if you're an old school guy who hates artificial intelligence and computers driving them, blah blah blah, you can always switch to boost and enjoy the old school feeling of a BMW. BMW was a little bit vague revealing the specs of the car, but it is indeed a super concept car worth waiting for. Alright, car junkies, second on our list we have the Renault Trezor. First presented at the Paris Motor Show in 2016 and was voted as the most beautiful concept car in the world. We're most likely to see this car off the production line around 2022. The Renault Trezor is an all-electric car entirely made from carbon fiber. It is equipped with Formula 1 technology. The car has moving fiber optic laser lighting system, and it is equipped by an artificial intelligence system that allows autonomous driving. The car has a unique and insane design. Instead of doors, it has a clamshell roof that opens up to allow the driver to get in. The car has a drag coefficient of 0.22, making it one of the most aerodynamically efficient cars in the world. Under the hood, the car is equipped with 2 battery packs with an independent cooling system. It has an electric motor that is capable of producing 349 horsepower, and the car is so capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in exactly 4 seconds. This is indeed an insane car and a concept car worth waiting for, most likely to be off the production line in 2022. Third on our list is an eco-friendly car specifically designed for an ultimate off-road driving experience, the Audi AI-12 Quattro. This is an all-electric car entirely made from aluminum and carbon fiber. The car is so light it only weighs 1,750 kilos, making it 748 kilos lighter than a Ford Ranger Raptor. The AI-12 Quattro is powered not by one electric motor but by 4 electric motors instead, capable of producing 320 kilowatts of power and 1,000 newtons of torque. The AI-12 Quattro can go 350 to 400 kilometers off the grid on a single recharge. It is also equipped with an artificial intelligence software that allows autonomous driving. So if you're a lazy driver who just loves to sit back and enjoy the landscape, you can always tune the car to autopilot and allow the car to drive itself. Car also comes with some cool off-road gadgets such as binoculars, water bottles, camping chairs, and a first aid kit, and we most likely to see this car off the production line in 2030. Fourth on our list is a car described by the automaker as the future of Gran Turismo, the Tesla Millennium. Now this is a hybrid sports car, mostly electric but also powered by a 6.5 liter V12 engine, and it is capable of producing 838 horsepower. That's about 625 kilowatts of power. Not bad, hey? Now what sets this car apart from any other futuristic car is its self-healing capability. Yeah, it is the Wolverine of automobiles. So if your little 2-year-old boy happened to scratch that $1 million paint job, well, there will be no need of a spank, because the fully carbon fiber body is fitted with nanotubes that can repair themselves if sensors detect any small cracks or dents. The future is exciting indeed. Now you must be wondering how much this beast will cost you. Well, it will only be an approximate of $2.5 million. Affordable, hey? Moving on to our last car on the list, ladies and gentlemen, meet the Bentley EXP100 GT. Now this is an all-electric autonomous concept car that shows the vision of Bentley in the next coming 30 years. This car was made on Bentley's 100th anniversary. This car is made from aluminum and carbon fiber, and the car has some exceptional aesthetics with the front grille that contains over 6,000 LED lights, and under the hood the car is powered by 4 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 2 on the rear, and together the motors are so capable of producing 1048 kilowatts and 1500 newtons of torque. The car has a drive range of 400 to 500 kilometers and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in under 3 seconds. Unbelievable. Now Bentley, for many years it has been known for its luxurious and expensive interior design, and the EXP100 GT was no exception. Bentley lavished the interior of the EXP100 with the finest material, although sustainability was of major concern, so instead of leather, Bentley had to use leather looking like materials made from apple skins. Unbelievable, hey? The car has an artificial intelligence system that monitor eye, head movement, posture and blood pressure to personalize the driving experience. It is indeed amazing how a little tomorrow can make up for a whole lot of yesterday. And there is no doubt that these cars will be the norm in the not so distant future. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all we had for you on Car Junkies Top 5, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and thank you for watching.